Hey guys, I hope you're having a good day. We're going to check your exercises. You should have already done the exercises on pages 319 and 320. I'm just going to go through the answers real quickly. I want you to check your answers and then send me a message letting me know how you did, how many you missed, okay? So exercise E on page 319, number 1 should be I used to be able to play guitar right well, but I see I had better. Begin practicing again. Number 2 should be raise the American flag and then be sure it is taken down. Number 3 should be after Cal swam across the river, he dragged, not drug, himself up the bank and lay, L-A-Y, not laid. Number 4, since the meat has gone bad, it needs to be thrown away. Number 5, a blanket of snow has lain with an N over the frozen ground. Number 6, I think he knew what the risk would be, but he isn't the kind to let such things affect with an A. Number 7, because you have fallen and hurt your head, you had better not lie down to sleep for a while. And number 8, Sam's diligent work greatly affected with an E his ability to teach others math. All right. Exercise F, subject verb agreement number 1 should be are all of those islands. Number 2, she doesn't want. Number 3, the bridge of size in Venice, Italy was used. Number 4, neither severe nightly lightning nor strong winds are expected. Remember our neither nor rule. When you have neither nor, your verb needs to agree with the closest subject. Number 5, Australian Aborigines often make. Number 6, it doesn't seem possible. Number 7, there are no more passenger pigeons. Number 8, everyone in the class does a research paper. Remember, everyone is singular. Everyone does. Number 9, statistics was a class. Number 10, the prairies is about the Illinois landscape. All right. Exercise G, correct, using the correct pronoun. Number 1, my cousin Jason, then cross out he. Just say my cousin Jason injured himself. Remember, his self is not a word. Number 2, the winners of the blue ribbons at the science fair were Joel, Sandra, and he. We need nominative case because it's a predicate nominative. Were is a linking verb, so we have a PN, so it needs to be he. Number 3, while taking a test, no one should allow his eyes to wander because no one is singular, so our pronoun needs to be singular. Number 4, whoever has not bought, because it's a subject, we need nominative case. Whoever has not bought his banquet ticket, because whoever is singular, so his, not there. Number 5, the guides for our tour through the library will be Mr. Wills and he, nominative case, predicate nominative. Number 6, both Faith and Bailey did their best work painting those sets. Number 7, my brother and I, nominative case, because it's a subject, are the only ones who are going to Italy this summer. Or you could say that. But remember, we don't say which for people. We don't make people witches, right? So don't use which when you're talking about people. Number 8, it is the directors, Alan and he, who should be commended for the success of the play. Number 9, the spider that, or you could say which, spun its web, because we're not talking about a person, so we're not going to say who. Number 10, the reward should be divided evenly between you and me, because between is a preposition. So it's the object of the preposition. So we need object of case, which is me. Okay. All right, exercise H, using adjectives and adverbs correctly. Number 1, which of the two countries has the bigger navy? Because we said 2 countries, so we just want comparative, right? Bigger. Number 2, Hendersonville was as far as. Remember, we don't say all the farther. We say as far as. Number 3, Mr. Matthews's rates are higher than that other plumber. His rates aren't higher than the plumber. His rates are higher than that other plumber's rates. Number 4, sound travels, cross out more and just say faster. Number 5, we should say those flowers have been pollinated. Number 6, Steve wrote more letters to his congregation than he wrote to his brother. Or you could say than his brother did. Either one is fine. Number 7, did you do well on the vocab test? Remember, good is an adjective, so it needs to have a noun after it, like good job, good meal, good weather. Okay. Number 8, the school bus arrived earlier today. You need to finish the comparison. Earlier today than it did yesterday or whatever. Number 9, I can't scarcely. That's a double negative. So you should say, I can scarcely read the writing. Number 10, tuberculosis and malaria are two of the deadliest diseases. You can't say most deadliest, right? Double comparison. So just say the deadliest. Number 11, we rested somewhat after we finished raking the yard. And number 12, Paul collected fewer insects than any other student in his class. All right, and then exercise I, recognizing phrases. In the first blank, tell me if it's preposition, participle, gerund, infinitive. And the second blank, you have to tell me if it is a noun, adjective, or adverb. Remember, if it is gerund, it is noun. If it is participle, it is adjective. If it is infinitive, it can be any one of the three, right? Infinitives can be nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. So number 1, to open first, to plus a verb is infinitive and is acting as adjective because it's describing package. Number 2, to provide all Americans with cheap, reliable transportation. To plus a verb, infinitive, what is it doing? It's a noun because it's the predicate nominative. Number 3, digging with its strong front legs, participle, adjective, describing tortoise. Number 4, introducing the Arabic language and Islamic religion into Northern Africa. That is a gerund. It ends in ing and is acting like the object of the preposition for. So gerund, noun. Number 5, to sleep well is an infinitive, to plus a verb, and it is an adverb in this case because it's describing nervous, which is an adjective. So that makes it an adverb. And number 6, with wonder is a prepositional phrase, and it is adverb because it is describing how she gazed. All right, how did you do? Just send me a message and let me know how many you missed, and then make sure you watch your Cyrano video for today.